Yesterday we were talking about the way that this report or this bit of information was written, and we did know that here is our introduction. Okay, we talked about words like habitat, diet, and the physical description. If you have a look here, remember this was the paragraph that told us about the physical description of our shark. Okay, and it talked about things like the body, because it's something physical. It said that it's a streamlined body. It talks about the colouring of the shark's body and tells us that it's dark on top and light underneath. And then gives us a bit more information by saying it makes them hard to see. Then it also talks about the skin's raspy, like sandpaper, and then also talks about the skeleton. So those are things that all relate to the body. Then we looked at the habitat. So this is the paragraph here that shows us about the habitat. Okay, it tells us where the shark lives. It lives in salty water, so they're found in the ocean. Okay, they live where the water is deep, deep enough that they can be well hidden. And then sharks move to the places where they can find food. So that also gives us information about where they live. Okay, so then we also talked about diet. And this is the paragraph that talks about the diet. Okay, tells us that sharks are carnivores. So that immediately we know that if it's carnivore, it eats meat. And that means that they feed on other animals, just about any animal in the sea. Can be a meal for a shark. And also this is an important bit about diet too, because having 5 rows of teeth at any time can make them dangerous. That gives us a bit more information about them. Okay, so here is just another little interesting fact about sharks that when I wrote this report I found interesting. Whoops, I'm going all over the place here. I thought that this was pretty incredible that they can hear a fish swimming over a mile away and can smell 1 drop of blood in 1 million parts of water. We discussed about how many buckets that would be. So then I also needed to conclude my bit of information, and this is what I chose to do. I thought this was interesting, that they will not attack humans, although they don't intend to attack humans. Lots of people are afraid of them. So that was giving me the 4 bits of information about my shark.